Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Amazon Shopping app. So all you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Until you will find here notifications, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on Amazon Shopping here. Then you just scrolling down here. So until you will find here Prime benefits updates. You will find here free rewards, balances and updates. Click in this sign, this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean here free rewards, balance and updates notifications disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,